This is a repair attempt for a Tiffany Goss, claim number 0711456806. We're up here on this roof. There's wind damaged shingles, very sporadic across the entire roof. So we're going to attempt to do a repair right here. Being very gentle. Trying my best not to tear this shingle. It's just very old and brittle. Okay. Barely lift it up so I can see the nail, right? Got a nail pull through. All right. Pull through. Nail pull through. What do we got here? Remove all these old things. They already got nail pops through the shingles anyways. Again, we're trying to be as gentle as we can. new shingle. Oh. Set that right there. Looks nice. You can see we already got a crease shingle here, just from barely lifting these. Back in this shingle. Had to take these nails out of this shingle in order to get the new one under it. So now I got to re-nail that shingle. What do you think? You think it passed?
I don't know. Can we leave this up there for you?
No, I'm done. Big old F.
Nice.
Just trying to be gentle. Just cannot be done. The laws of nature will not allow it. Again, claim number 07114-56806. Also, someone else has also attempted a repair that has failed back when they first started losing these shingles. Let me show it to you. And that was from the adjuster. Somebody has tried to repair a blown off shingle, and at some point you just have to give up. Like, why am I gonna get up here and continue to replace shingles that are gonna get blown off this person's house? You can see that crease right there from when they tried to do it. It's adhered back at this point, but it still failed the repair attempt back whenever it was attempted, which was about, I would say, a year and a half ago. So we just want to do the right thing. Can't repair a roof that's 20 years old. It's rated for 20 years in Alabama. Cannot be done. I don't want to get up here and attempt to repair all these shingles blown off and then end up moving the damage up and end up replacing the whole roof and not get paid for it. So we want to do the right thing, and we expect y'all to do the right thing. Thank you.